Okay, I told you I would show you a little bit of what I'm going to do with my Hyper Tough vacuum cleaner, and that's to clean out the air conditioning system. And that's what you need to do, and not just the filter. You need to get up underneath here and clean this all out of here. All the dust and dirt that accumulates in there gets past the filter. And I would advise you to change your air filter at least once a month. Okay, that's done. Okay, that's that. Like I said, I'd show you how to use that vacuum cleaner. It also can be disconnected on this side, plug it in on the back side, and now it will be a blower, so you can blow dirt out of the way. You can also plug it in, seeing it's a vacuum and wash. In other words, it can handle water going into it. You can hook it up to your drainage for your air conditioner and suck out whatever dirt's in here. I use a screen here to keep the dirt out. You can see where it's drips out. Well, you can connect it to the drainage down here and suck it out, whatever dirt might have got in there. But you usually just put a cup of bleach in your drainage, and it drains out here, then a cup of water to chase it out, get it out of there. You never know, there might be some little frogs. And the little frogs live here. As you might see, there's one right there. Gets stuck in your air conditioning system. That's why you have to take a hose and use it very lightly, not a full blast, or you'll bend the fins on the outside of this air conditioning system. But you've got to get all these fins cleaned up all the way around over here. I blasted up in there. Okay, known as cooler, and I'm out.